Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood, making them the closest thing to real-life aliens on Earth. With one heart dedicated to pumping blood through their bodies and 2 smaller ones powering their gills, these ocean dwellers have a circulatory system that seems straight out of a sci-fi movie. Their blood is blue because it contains hemocyanin, a copper-rich protein that efficiently transports oxygen in the cold, low-oxygen depths of the ocean. This unique adaptation allows them to thrive in environments where most creatures would struggle to survive. Their alien-like appearance is matched by their otherworldly intelligence and ability to camouflage instantaneously, further cementing their status as nature's most mysterious creatures. The next time you see an octopus, remember, you're looking at one of Earth's most extraordinary examples of life, a true marvel of evolution that challenges our understanding of what it means to be normal in the animal kingdom.